And I am also thrilled to report that everything was right under my $1,000 limit. Because your boy know how to find a deal. Wagwan, my youth, and welcome to my channel, Noble is Global. My name is Noble, or if you come from Jamaica, you're not really nice, you can call me Noble. So right now I am renovating my bathrooms, and I was like, wait a minute, I should document this because this is a great way to show you all my design process. So I'm going to give you all a quick walkthrough in my bathroom before and after. People actually spend quite a lot of time in the bathrooms, believe it or not, and it's probably one of the most important parts of your Airbnb listing. All right, so walking into the bathroom, this is what it looks like. It doesn't look bad, it just looks a little bit outdated. And if you've watched any of my other videos, you know how much I talk about design being a great return on investment for future bookings and customers on the Airbnb platform. And that means more money. Gwe, me na ramp with una, me a come afar and I make money so me can send borrow my grandmother down to St. Elizabeth. All right, let's get started. There are 3 steps you want to follow when you're designing a space for your Airbnb listing. Number 1, that is going to be to storyboard. Because I'm a very visual person, I finally had an excuse to be on Pinterest all day, and so I was creating different storyboards and gathering a bunch of ideas and inspirations until I finally honed in on a Zen bathroom. That was my search term, Zen bathroom. I wanted something tranquil and serene. My tip to you is to download Pinterest and create your own storyboards. It's super easy to send them to your family and friends so you can get some additional feedback if that's what you need. If you're a little bit more old-fashioned, you can go ahead and dig up those old Architectural Digest magazines and go ham. Start cutting them out, laying them out, and creating your design that way. Step number 2, it's going to be budgeting. My budget to renovate both of the bathrooms was $1,000. I spent $100 on painted materials. For the flooring installation, I found someone on Thumbtack who agreed to do both bathrooms at 55 and 65 square feet respectively for $350. Next, I had $250 allotted for luxury vinyl plank flooring that had a warranty and was also waterproof, super important because it's in a bathroom. I had $200 allotted for new fixtures that included the vanity lighting, the outlet covers, shower rods, and the bath rods. And lastly, I had $100 allotted for new decor in the bathroom. That included artwork, bath towels, bath rugs, shelving, anything like that. And step 3 is to roll up your sleeves and get it done. This is the excellent step. I got eye protection, I know I'm doing the most. But anyway, I always feel like when you can, try and update whatever it is that you do have. We're prepping, we got all the tape put up. Definitely messy, but it is just about complete, almost. We gotta do the floors. Been looking at different floors. I've actually surprisingly liked this one that's on clearance. I'm gonna go find it. They're playing Destiny's Child in here, so naturally I'm feeling pretty good right now. Look at the floors. Don't mind me, I'm just listening to some Janet Jackson and caulking the toilets right now. I'm almost done in this bathroom. I just want to sleep so bad, but it's gonna look so beautiful when we're done. Got everything primed nicely. Fuck, I just made dark gray. Okay, hopefully we can get enough black paint out of this to turn this into a dark charcoal. This is what progress looks like. Time to actually get the cabinets underneath the sink. All right, so are you all ready for this? Here is the bathroom. Here is bathroom number 2. I painted my double door. What are they called? Saloon doors, yeah. Very, very, very nice. So overall, I am absolutely thrilled with the way that the bathrooms came out. It looks like night and day, literally, and I can't wait to upload these photos onto my Airbnb listing. I am very satisfied with the work that I have done because me I look upon it and me say it can look good. And I am also thrilled to report that everything was right under my $1,000 limit because your boy know how to find a deal. Do you need help designing or redesigning a space for your Airbnb listing? I've got you covered. Go ahead and check out the link in the description to find my design consultation service. We're going to work one-on-one budgeting and all storyboarding to make sure your design is going to maximize your profits. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I would love to know what you all think, or if you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and see you all next time. Deo! Day-o, daylight come and me want go home. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Thank you. You must take pride in your work. I'm in Home Depot right now looking for the transition piece for the bathroom, and they're playing Missy Elliott. I'm feeling this.